Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to get rid of freckles? Freckles are very common and they're usually harmless. Some people like them and some people don't. If you're looking to fade your freckles, then you've come to the right place. Today I will share with you some of the best natural remedies for freckles. So without any further delay, let's begin. The first one is aloe vera. This ingredient is very popular and it has so many benefits for our skin. It has cooling and soothing properties which can help reduce redness and inflammation of the skin. It also has antioxidants which protect the skin from harmful UV rays of the sun. These properties make it very effective in getting rid of freckles. You can apply aloe vera directly from the plant or you can use it from a moisturizer or any other product. You should use sunscreen while using aloe vera. Second is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is enriched with malic acid and it helps in getting an even-toned skin. It brightens the skin and fades away the freckles. You can use it by applying it to a cotton ball and then gently rub it on your face. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and wash it off with lukewarm water. You can also mix it with water in a 1:1 ratio and use it as a toner. Always test it on your hand first before using it on your face. Third is lemon juice. Lemon juice contains high levels of vitamin C and it is very effective in lightening freckles and getting an even skin tone. You can apply lemon juice directly on your face or you can mix it with other ingredients such as sugar, cream, or aloe vera. Apply this mixture for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off. You can also use lemon peels to get rid of freckles. Rub the inside of the lemon peel on your face and leave it for 30 minutes before scrubbing it off. Fourth is tomato juice. Tomatoes contain an enzyme called catalase, which is very helpful in getting rid of freckles. This enzyme breaks down the pigment of the freckles and thus fades them away. You can apply tomato juice on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off. You can do this 2 to 3 times in a week for better results. Fifth is yogurt or curd. Yogurt contains lactic acid, which is very helpful in lightening the skin and getting an even skin tone. It also has antifungal and antibacterial properties. You can apply a thick layer of yogurt on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. For more benefits, you can mix turmeric powder in it and apply it on your face. 6 is cream. Malai cream is very popular in India and it is used from ages to get an even skin tone and to get rid of freckles. This cream contains malai acid, which has antifungal and antibacterial properties. It also protects the skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. You should always buy authentic and pure malai products to avoid any side effects. Seventh is soy milk. Soy milk contains antioxidants that protect the skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. It also has isoflavonoids, which are very helpful in lightening freckles and getting an even skin tone. You can apply soy milk on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. You can also use it as a face wash. 8 is cucumber. Cucumber contains antioxidants and water-soluble pigments called anthocyanins, which have a very good effect in lightening freckles and getting an even skin tone. You can apply cucumber juice on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. You can also apply cucumber slices on your face and let them sit until they dry up. Then remove them and wash your face. 9th is pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate seeds are very rich in antioxidants and they protect the skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. They also contain ellagic acid, which has anti-inflammatory properties. This acid helps in getting rid of freckles and getting an even skin tone. You can apply pomegranate seeds on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. You can also use pomegranate juice as a face wash. 10 is honey. Honey contains antioxidants and it protects the skin from the harmful UV rays of the sun. It also has humectant properties, which means it locks the moisture of the skin and keeps the skin hydrated. Well-hydrated skin tends to have less number of freckles. You can apply honey on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before washing it off. So these are the 10 natural remedies for freckles. I hope this video was helpful. Do let me know in the comment section if you use any of these remedies. Share this video with your family and friends. And don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Stay safe and healthy.